Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make Kesari bath.
Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video.
Note down or screenshot this recipe.
To begin with, add ghee into a non-stick pan and let the flame be low. Once the ghee is heated, add cashew nuts and raisins and fry them until brown. Once roasted, keep them aside and add semolina to the same ghee. Roast semolina until it changes color and set it aside as well. Now add boiling water into the same pot. Add roasted semolina. Keep stirring until water completely evaporates. Add sugar and mix well. Also add a pinch of salt to combine all the flavors together. Keep mixing and add kesar. Add some more ghee and mix well. Let it settle for a minute and add the roasted nuts. And your scrumptious, delicious Kesari bath or Sheera is ready.
I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.